3 eggs. Add salt. Add smoked paprika. Add black pepper. Whisk well. Add spring onions and mix well. 6 chopped cherry tomatoes and mix well. 1 OOG tuna chunks. Add fresh mint and mix well. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. A drizzle of olive oil into a pan. Brush the pan with the oil. Add the eggs mix into the pan. Medium heat and cover the pan. Let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Turn it around. Let it cook for another 3 minutes. Lovely! A drizzle of olive oil. Add spicy flakes. Add to chopped garlic cloves. Let it fry for a few minutes. Add coriander. Add to chopped onions. Add fresh thyme. Add dill. Add salt. Add black pepper. 200 grams sweetcorn. 150 grams canned tuna. 200 grams fresh tagliatelle. Cover with water. Fresh tagliatelle takes 5 minutes to be ready. To finish, add coriander and Parmesan cheese on top. Lovely!